What is up, guys? Welcome to the tutorial on SuperParkour, the plugin on Spigot, and it is an awesome plugin. You guys should go try it out, and it's a lot of fun to put on your server. There is a free version and there is a premium version. A link to both of them will be down in the description below. What is up, guys? The setup for this plugin is super simple and easy to do. Literally, there's a item in your inventory called map blocks, and it's a simple, easy GUI. And it just makes this plugin like perfect for parkour setting up, and it's just very easy to use. All you do is drag out the blocks you want. Say you want some blindness blocks. Now I've already set up the map so I could show you how to play it, but literally all you do is you drop it just like you're building a normal map. And I downloaded this map right off the forums, right where you download the plugin off of. The link to this map will also be down in the description below. And yeah, so make sure to set up the lobby and then hit /parkour finish, and there you go. The server will shut down and do a quick restart, and then you're good to go, and you start it back up and you're free to play, and we'll get right into that. What is up, guys? Now to get into more of the commands. There's an in-game shop where currently there's only 3 items, but I guess he's going to be adding more soon. You can give yourself jump boost or speed 3, which is pretty interesting. And you can also do a mobile checkpoint. The mobile checkpoint literally sets checkpoints once you purchase it, and it's pretty cool. To give yourself coins, you can do /parkour, add coins, and then the username. Oops. Say Nick Plays HD because that's my username, and then the amount of coins you want. And then it says right up in the right hand corner, which you can actually change the SuperParkour whatever you want. Like I would change mine to Mystical Network since mine is on Mystical Network, which is my server. So coins, I now have 10 coins, and I guess I have 1 fail. And yeah, it's pretty interesting. You can even spectate games. You can get more coins. You can add coins. You can set a player's coins. And I'll go through all those commands right now. Set coins, my username, and then say 30. So now I have 30 coins, if you can see in the right hand corner, and it also says in chat. You got add coins. They pretty much do the same thing, except if you set coins, and that sets the user's coin limit. But if you add coins or give coins, then you'll be adding on. You do add 30, then I'll give them 60. That's the same thing as give. Or add, excuse me. You also have parkour spectate. So, oops, spelled that wrong. /parkour spectate. And what that does is that puts you in game mode 3, which is spectator mode, and you can literally watch people play the game, which is pretty cool. That is very interesting. Now if I do /parkour spectate to play again, it'll bring me back. And you can view your stats right here. Fails 1, wins 0, coins 60, and this will show you everyone's stats. You can hit this to reset, but let's get playing. So this is blindness blocks, which are the black blocks in the GUI, and these will literally give you and by the way, this plugin does give you invisibility so you don't interrupt other players. Confuse. This will make you nauseous, which literally makes me nauseous in real life. I hate nausea in Minecraft. It's so obnoxious. No pun intended. Actually, we'll show you the water block really quick. As you can see, that resets you back because I did not do any checkpoints. Excuse me. Get rid of this nausea because I cannot parkour with nausea. Now this is a slowness block, which gives you slowness for 3 seconds. Speed blocks, which gives you speed. Speed 3. Wait for the speed to run out. And then you have jump. Ooh, which gives you a jump boost. Jump 2 boost. And then there's also jump pads. This is jump pad 1. There are 2 types of jump pads, and this will give you a jump boost. Kind of like on the network hubs. If you see on hubs and you step on a pad, it gives you that boost. That's kind of exactly what that does. And then you have a jump pad too, which gives you a way bigger boost. And then you have the diamond blocks, which is the gold block. And this means once you step on it, the map will be completed and you have won. Nick Plays HD got to the end. It's very set some checkpoints up. I did not set any checkpoints up due to the map is very short. But again, you can make custom maps. You can do anything you want with this plugin to your imagination. If you have any questions or anything, comment down below and I will be happy to answer your questions. And now we'll get right into the configuring. The configuration of the SuperParkour plugin is super user friendly. It is so easy to do. You can change the messages to whatever you would like. You can configure certain blocks if you want to change the blindness block from a cold block to say an iron block or a cobblestone or whatever you'd like to change it to. Then you can go ahead and change it. I'm going to change these to Mystical Parkour because the name of my server is Mystical Network. You can change it to whatever your server is, or you can keep them the same. By default, they're Parkour. I've already changed these to Mystical Parkour just to make it easier. And but I'll show you how to do it. Normally, it will say Parkour, just like that. All you do is go ahead, backspace it, and then type in whatever you would like. So I'm going to type in Mystical Parkour. And then you just do that for all the previous ones down here, or you can completely get rid of this if you'd like, just by highlighting it and then backspacing it. Or you can put whatever you want. You don't have to have the brackets. You don't have to have any of this. Just make sure you keep these quotations or it will not work properly. Reset on water means they will die or go back to their last checkpoint when on water. Reset on lava means they'll go back to their last checkpoint once they touch lava. If you want these both to be disabled or just one of them, put false on one of them. Or if you want them both disabled, put false on both. Invisible means they'll be invisible when they first join and they will stay invisible. Speed, same thing. Blind, same thing. Confusion, same thing. Jump boost, same thing. And safe stand, same thing. Now the scoreboard, which is pretty cool. I changed it to Mystical Network. You don't need to have Featherboard enabled or downloaded on your server to actually have this. It's just a simple scoreboard and it'll show them the fails, wins, and coins. I'd prefer you not to mess with this. You can if you want, but you can easily change the title just like you changed up here. I changed mine to Mystical Network, unlike Mystical Parkour up here. Blocks, this is the speed time. So 20 ticks equals 1 second. So you just divide 20 or how many seconds you want and times that by 20, and then that will get you your ticks, and then you just put that right there. Speed ID, this is the block that they have to be touching in order to get that. So 95 is stained glass, and then blind ID or blind time, which is the same thing for the speed, and etc. goes all the way down the list. Like for example, jump ID, that's an emerald block, and the jump time is 200 ticks. Firework on goal, that means a firework will spawn once they reach the end or goal, and then goal ID again is the diamond block, which is the finish. Chat format, which is another pretty interesting thing to this plugin. It is the chat format. You don't have to enable this if you don't want to. All you have to do is deny the permission with whatever permission plugin you have if you don't want them to have it, or give it to them if you do want them to have it. So if you want this to say in chat owner, if you're the owner, then you give them that permission, and etc. It goes all the way down the list. Now items, which is pretty cool. Reset, all that means is this will reset their stats as I showed you earlier in the game, and this will be in the A slot of the hotbar, and it'll be the ID 370. Skull, same thing, the player stats. It'll be in slot 7, and then it'll show them the fails, wins, and coins of other players. Shop, this is the in-game shop where you can buy mobile checkpoints, jump boost, and speed 3. And then coins, that's when you win, you get 20 coins. Checkpoint coins, you get 5 points. Reset height, that's the height that they get reset back to if they pass that height. So if they go past 0, so if they're falling into the void, they'll get reset. And then metrics, don't mess with that. So that is the configuration of the plugin. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to smash that like button, and make sure you go show the author of this plugin the hard work that he worked on the plugin with. And he worked so hard on this plugin. Make sure you go show him some love. Thank you guys so much for watching, and peace.